Today we are reading EVS from class 4th, chapter number 18, Waste Management. Waste. Every day we throw a number of things as waste in the dustbin. Waste or garbage can be described as a thing that is discarded, useless, unwanted and rejected by us. It contains leftover food material, papers, packing materials, broken glass, empty plastic bottles, polythene bags, rags, domestic waste, dead plants and animals. Day by day, the amount of waste is increasing due to our changing lifestyle. In fact, the earth is becoming a garbage heap. It is important to dispose of waste sensibly so that it does not have any negative impact on our environment or our health. Types of waste. There are two types of wastes, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste. The wastes which can easily mix up with the soil are called biodegradable wastes. Such wastes are obtained from plants and animals, fruits and vegetable peels, dried flowers, leaves, paper, wood savings, leftover foods and all examples of some biodegradable wastes. Non-biodegradable waste. Solid wastes that do not rot and mix with soil are non-biodegradable wastes. Polythene, plastic, rubber, metal, electrical waste, industrial waste are examples of some non-biodegradable waste. Disposal of waste. Waste produced in homes, schools, offices, shops, hotels and restaurants is called municipal waste. We generate huge amount of waste every day. It affects the quality of air, water and soil. Waste must be properly managed in every home. Domestic waste must be collected properly. It should not be dumped on the road. There is a dumping site near every locality. Nowadays, in many cities, municipal corporation has placed 2 large bins in every locality. One of the bins is green, which is meant for the things that can decompose, biodegradable, and the other bin is blue, meant for the things that do not decompose, non-biodegradable. People who do not know the difference can read instruction written on the bins. It is better we should separate the waste at home and then put in proper bin. Municipal trucks collect the waste from these bins separately every day. Waste from green bins and blue bins are dumped on separate dumping sites. The various methods of waste disposal are as follows. Disposal of waste can be managed effectively if all of us realize the hazards of waste. Everyone in the community is responsible to keep the town or city clean. Landfills. Landfills are the huge open grounds outside the cities where municipal trucks carry the garbage from our nearest community, garbage dump and dump it in. Later on, the landfill is covered with soil to prevent breeding of disease causing insects. This land is then used to build buildings, playground, etc. Incinerators. Incinerators is another method of disposal of waste, but it causes a lot of pollution. Here, large-scale disposal is done by burning the garbage in big furnaces located outside the city. This causes air pollution and ash is also left after burning. Composting. Composting is a method of disposing plant and animal waste to prepare rich manure, helpful for the growth of plants. Leftover food, rotten fruits, vegetables, egg cells, dead plants and animals, dung are dumped in a large hole and covered with soil. After a few days, it changes into manure. Waste management. The best way to control the waste problem is 5R: refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and replace. Refuse. We should refuse the non-biodegradable things, like when we go to the market to buy vegetable and shopkeeper gives them in a plastic bag. We should refuse it and transfer the vegetables in our own cloth bag. Reduce. We can help in reducing the wastage by buying only as much as we need. We should avoid the shopping in quantity. We should not buy so many vegetables and fruits at a time. They may go bad, and also we should use stainless steel utensils instead of plastic glasses and plates. Reuse. Reuse means to use things again that are normally thrown away. We can reuse glass and plastic jars, plastic bottles, polythene bags, tin cans, and packing boxes after they are empty. Old textbooks can be reused by other students if kept in good condition. Recycle. Recycling is the processing of waste to recover material that can be reused. Commonly, recycled wastes include aluminum and steel cans, glass containers, plastic, and paper. Replace. We must replace the non-biodegradable materials which we use in our daily life with environment-friendly materials like jute bags, cloth, or paper bags. Replacing such objects with recycled materials helps in waste management.